Something that Ellie does frequently, and you might see this a lot on social media as well, is arranging items intentionally within the frame and taking a picture from directly above them. This technique is called flat lay photography, and it is a great way of displaying food, products, and other items in your images.
Just like any image you take, you'll want to consider your background when using the flat lay technique. Do you want your background to have an intricate pattern, like in these images? Or do you prefer the items to stand out more with a plain white background, like this?
You can also choose somewhere in between, like this image with the wood grain background. You have the option to make your background part of the image's story, so whichever background you like best, choose it intentionally, as Ellie did.
Flat lay photography is probably most popular with food, but you can do it with anything where you want to shoot from directly above.
There are a variety of ways you can arrange your objects in the frame. You can be extremely systematic and organized, like the shoes or the crostini.
You can use the rule of thirds or leading lines, or try some creative cropping.
However you choose to display the items in your frame, you can still apply a variety of other compositional techniques when shooting flat lay photography.
This concludes our bonus lesson on flat lay photography.